good afternoon. Is this Green Market Supermarket?
Yes, good afternoon. Green Market Supermarket, how can I help you?
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm calling to ask a few questions about your store.
Of course, no problem. Go ahead.
First, what time do you open and close today?
We open at 8 a.m. and we close at 10 p.m. today.
Great. Do you open at the same time on weekends?
On Saturday, yes. On Sunday, we open at 9 a.m.
Okay, that's good to know. I also want to ask about home delivery.
Sure, we do offer home delivery.
How does it work? Is it online or by phone?
You can order online on our website, or you can place an order by phone.
Nice. Is there a minimum order for delivery?
Yes, the minimum order is $20.
All right. And how long does delivery usually take?
It usually takes between 1 and 2 hours, depending on how busy we are.
That sounds good. I also want to ask about fresh food.
Sure, what would you like to know?
Do you sell fresh fruits and vegetables every day?
Yes, we get fresh fruits and vegetables every morning.
Great. What about meat and chicken? Are they fresh as well?
Yes, all our meat and chicken are fresh and prepared daily.
Good to hear. Do you have any discounts or special offers today?
Yes, we have discounts on dairy products and soft drinks today.
Nice. Do I need a membership card to get the discount?
No, you don't. The discounts are for all customers.
Perfect. One last question. Can I pay by card when the delivery arrives?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash when you receive your order.
That's very helpful. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us.
I will. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hello, good morning. Is this Lakeside Medical Clinic?
Good morning. Yes, this is Lakeside Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is David. I would like to make an appointment to see a doctor.
Of course. Are you a new patient or a regular patient?
I am a new patient. This will be my first visit.
All right. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is David Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. What is the reason for your visit?
I have a sore throat and a bad cough. I have felt sick for a few days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever, but I feel tired and weak.
Okay. We have a few available times. Are you free this afternoon?
This afternoon is difficult for me. Do you have anything tomorrow?
Yes, we have an opening tomorrow at 11 a.m.
That time works for me.
Great. The appointment will be with Dr. Smith.
Okay, how long will the visit take?
The visit usually takes about 20 minutes.
That's fine. Do I need to bring anything with me?
Yes, please bring your ID and your insurance card.
All right, how much is the visit if I don't have insurance?
The visit costs $70 without insurance.
Okay, that's clear. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cash and card.
Perfect. One more question. Where is the clinic located?
We're on Main Street, next to the bank and across from the pharmacy.
Great. Is parking available?
Yes, there's free parking behind the building.
That's very helpful. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, good afternoon. Is this the Sunrise Hotel?
Good afternoon. Yes, this is the Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, my name is Mark. I'm calling to ask about booking a room.
Of course, Mark. I'd be happy to help you. When would you like to stay?
I want to stay for 2 nights, from Friday to Sunday.
All right. How many people will be staying in the room?
Just one person.
Okay. We have single rooms and double rooms available.
What is the price for a single room per night?
A single room is $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds good. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in is at 3 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m.
Can I check in earlier if the room is ready?
Yes, early check-in is possible, but it depends on availability.
I understand. Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, all rooms have free Wi-Fi.
Great. What about parking? Do you have parking for guests?
Yes, we have free parking for hotel guests.
Nice. Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, we have a restaurant on the first floor.
What time does the restaurant open?
It opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Perfect. Do you also have a gym or a swimming pool?
Yes, we have a small gym and an indoor swimming pool.
That's great. Are they free to use?
Yes, they are free for all guests.
Good to know. Can I cancel the reservation if my plans change?
Yes, you can cancel for free up to 24 hours before arrival.
That's fair. How do I make the reservation?
I can make it for you now, or you can book online on our website.
Let's do it now, please.
Sure. May I have your full name and phone number?
Yes, my full name is Mark Johnson, and my phone number is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Mark. We look forward to seeing you.
See you on Friday. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, good evening. Is this Tony's Pizza Place?
Good evening. Yes, this is Tony's Pizza Place. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Sure. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Kevin.
Thank you, Kevin. What kind of pizza would you like?
I would like a large pepperoni pizza.
All right. Would you like thin crust or regular crust?
Regular crust, please.
Okay. Would you like extra cheese?
Yes, extra cheese sounds good.
Great choice. Would you like to add any toppings?
Yes, I would like mushrooms and olives.
No problem. Would you like anything else, like drinks or sides?
Yes, I would like 1 bottle of soda.
What kind of soda would you like?
A cola, please.
All right. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all for now.
Okay. May I have your address for delivery?
Yes, it's 245 Main Street, apartment 3B.
Got it. Can you please confirm the phone number?
Sure, it's 555-6789.
Thank you. Your order will arrive in about 30 to 40 minutes.
That's perfect.
The total price is $18.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash when the driver arrives.
Great. One question, please. Is the pizza hot when it arrives?
Yes, sir. We always deliver our pizzas hot and fresh.
Good to hear. Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, we have a 10% discount on large pizzas today.
Nice. Does my order get the discount?
Yes, it does. Your new total is $16.20.
That sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please be ready to receive the order.
I will. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I'm calling because I want to invite you to a small party.
Oh, that sounds nice. What kind of party is it?
It's a birthday party for my brother. We're having it at my apartment.
That sounds fun. When is the party?
It's this Saturday evening, around 7 p.m.
Saturday at 7 p.m. Okay. How long will it be?
It will probably start at 7 and end around 10 or 11.
That works for me. Who else is coming?
Just a few close friends and family, about 10 people.
That's perfect. I like small parties.
Great. We'll have food, music, and some games.
Nice. What kind of food will you have?
We're ordering pizza and snacks, and there will be cake, too.
Sounds delicious. Do you want me to bring anything?
If you want, you can bring a drink, but it's not necessary.
Okay, I can bring some juice or soda.
That would be great. Thank you.
What should I wear? Is it casual?
Yes, it's very casual. Just wear something comfortable.
Perfect. Where is your apartment again?
It's on Oak Street, near the park. I'll send you the address by message.
Okay, that helps. Is there parking nearby?
Yes, there is. Free parking on the street.
Good to know. Can I bring a friend with me?
Yes, of course. That's totally fine.
Great. I think I can come, but I'll let you know for sure tomorrow.
No problem at all. Just tell me when you know.
All right. Thanks for inviting me. I'm excited.
I'm happy to hear that. It will be fun.
I'm sure it will. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.